In this video, we'll show how to divide two rational expressions, and let me first remind you how to divide them. We use the same rules as for the division of rational numbers. That is, when we have to divide one rational expression by another one, we first turn the division process into the multiplication by the reciprocal, and then we form a new numerator from the product of the two numerators, and we form a new denominator from the product of the two denominators. However, we have to remember to simplify everything before we multiply. So that is, in order for me to finish this division product, I have to factor out every expression in the numerator and the denominator of the two rational expressions. So let's factor out 1 minus b squared. It's going to be negative b squared minus 1, which is the difference of squares. Let's factor out b squared minus 2b plus 1. That's the square of the difference, so it's just b minus 1 squared. Let's factor out 4b squared plus 7b minus 2. In order to factor this one, I'm going to look for two numbers whose product is negative 8 and the sum is 7. So two such numbers are 8 and negative 1. And that means I'm going to rewrite 4b squared 7b minus 2 as 4b squared plus 8b minus b minus 2. And here we have 4b b plus 2 minus 1 b plus 2, which is 4b minus 1 times b plus 2. Now to factor out 4b squared plus 15b minus 4, I'm going to look for two numbers whose product is negative 16 and the sum is 15. So two such numbers are 16 and negative 1. And I'm going to split the middle term into 16b minus b. And I'm just going to basically repeat what I've done above. So b plus 4 minus 1 b plus 4. And we get 4b minus 1 times b plus 4. So to divide the original two rational expressions, I'm going to divide their equivalent rational expressions written in factored form. So for the first one, I'm going to have 4b minus 1 times b plus 2 over negative b minus 1 b plus 1, dividing it by 4b minus 1 times b plus 4 over b minus 1 squared. And now we're going to turn the division process into multiplication. And we're going to reduce as much as we can before we multiply. So what's left is negative b plus 2 times b minus 1 over b plus 1 times b plus 4.